college pun vibro te hakne ga video tang nya page ikini question GK kibla don lang bat ki answer te kini question kini rap ro nam ta ka exam DSC MPSC kamtam jong Meghalaya police bat jong Homeguard ki barang kansawan ke exam te ina page kini question kumba hispa live ho tali te nya page kawai according to data bahai Nauroji Swaraj mean Swaraj mean self government. Tes kamawa Swaraj mean self government. Which state is known as India Spice Ginero kidon kamha. Which state is known as India Spice Garden ketika Kerala. Kamawa kata India Spice Garden di Kerala. Name the river bank in which Taj Mahal is situated ketika Yamuna. Who is known as the father of Indian Green Revolution? MS Swaminathan. Kan mau kita. Where Karakoram Pass located? Kanem ju Dayok Thandre di Ladakh. When is National Voters Day celebrated in India? Kane kam important hi shaidon hi hipor bakawan kane kan National Voters Day. Shaidon hi kajinga mare ahu kane absantrik January National Voters Day. Sakan mau kata National Voters Day kandai absantrik January. Which city is known as the Orange City of India? Di Nagpur. Which is the other country that celebrate Independence Day on 15 August? Kan mau kane South Korea. Ozone hole is maximum over Antarctica. In which field is the Dhan Wantari Award given? Medical field. The first animal to be domesticated by the Stone Age people was dog. Then the book which contained the information of plant is called as Red Book. Where is the headquarters of WTO? Geneva. Which of the following personality was the first to climb Mount Everest twice? Nawang Gombu. Which one of the following is the guardian of fundamental rights? Judiciary. The chairperson of the Lok Sabha is designated as speaker. Kum kini ki Jingkylli kin bun maha ki banwan chairperson speaker we speaker jong Lok Sabha speaker jong Rajya Sabha mo akam Meghalaya police te bidon kam ha gine vice president phap tip ye ki kartengo gine mar kum kini ki Jingkylli bridge phangi political te kin one batch hapo ka Meghalaya police ne jong ka Europe umju mugan. The government has renamed Nrega scheme and the name associated with the scheme is that of Mahatma Gandhi. Mission Indradhanush is related to full immunization. The blue revolution is related to fish production. The white revolution sekan mau kumtaro kaneka blue revolution kada semangka fish production the white revolution te kan debe semangka milk production. India largest commercial bank is State Bank of India. Which of the biome is called the breadbasket of the world? Mid latitude grassland. The largest producer of milk in the world is India. Company ki kamha largest producer of milk, largest producer of jute, largest producer of cotton, largest producer of sugarcane. Kumita ki Jingkylli ki kamha sekan mau wana prepare. Which of the following criteria is not used in the classification of human race? Here, which country is known as the Pearl of the East? Sri Lanka. The Manas National Park is situated in the state of Assam. Kini Manas National Park, Kaziranga National Park, kini kibde Port East, kijiki gitu, Kiban kan mau ha. Dekam Manas National Park ada di Assam. Sundarban are found in the following state of India. Sundarban ada di West Bengal. The resources which can be continuously used year after year are called renewable. Kini deshang science. The Umyam Hydel Project Dam is located a few kilometers north of Shillong. Which of the following is known as the brown coal? Lignite. Terrace farming is done on the slope of hill. Saka yellow revolution menta one blue revolution menta yellow revolution is associated with the production of oil seed. The impact of green revolution was felt most in the case of wheat. Manchester of South India is Coimbatore. World first camel hospital is located in Dubai. And Netaji Subhash National Institute of Sport is located in Patiala, NSNIS, Kanegari Punjab, Patiala, Punjab. The headquarters of Federation International Day Football Association FIFA is located in Zurich. The famous activist from Chanu Sharmila is better known as Iron Lady of Manipur, Irom Chanu Sharmila. Kata bahasa tangan Pok Manipur, Pok Manipur. Amit Shah contested the Lok Sabha elections 19, from which constituency Gandhinagar. Rajghat is the memorial of Mahatma Gandhi. From which language the word India was originated? Sanskrit. Who is rightly called the father of local self-government in India? Lord Ripon. Which of the following state is called the Tiger State of India? Madhya Pradesh. Malfunctioning of which of the following organ causes jaundice? Liver. And Jaspal Rana is associated with which of the following? Jaspal Rana is associated with which of the following games? Shooting. Which city is known as the electronic city of India? Bangalore. Who among the following has inaugurated the Greater Sora Water Supply Scheme in Meghalaya in 2021? Amit Shah. What is the species name of Memang coxi, a local name for the pitcher plant found in Meghalaya? Nepenthes khasiana. Nepenthes khasiana. Which river divides Garo Hill into part? Simsang River. How many seats does Meghalaya have in the Rajya Sabha? One seat. Kandero important so kandai. Kanmau don't even kanmau. Who was the first person from Meghalaya to receive Padma Vibhushan Award? P.A. Sangma. Kanmau Kanero. Which river in Garo Hill is known as Someswari? Simsang. What is the real name of Gautama Buddha? Siddhartha. Ships are built in Visakhapatnam. Then, which among the following is the secondary pollutant? Smoke. Bhopal gas tragedy of 1984 was due to the leakage of which of the following gas? Methyl isocyanate. Renewable source of energy is sun. Then, in which of the following state of India the only floating park in the world is situated in Manipur, Loktak Lake? Red panda is a state animal of which of the following state? Sikkim. Indian rhinoceros is protected in Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park. Which greenhouse gas is largest concentration in the atmosphere? Methane. Vitamin A is mainly stored in liver. Rotavirus vaccine is used to prevent which disease? Diarrhea. Use of Polish rice in human diet causes the following disease? Beriberi. Largest ecosystem of the world is sea. Who is called Rawalpindi Express? Shoaib Akhtar. Who directed the world famous film The Gandhi? Richard Attenborough. Kanero kham important ha. Author of the book Satanic Verse is Salman Rushdie. Clouded Leopard National Park is located in which of the northeastern state? Tripura. In which state the Majuli Island located? Kanepo, Assam. Which of the following is an artificial ecosystem? Rice field. How many years it take to build Taj Mahal? 20 years. How many bones does human adult have? 206. Mau ha kom gini mo. Mla araban tip one tabagi day very important question mo. Which gas is also known as laughing gas? The nitrous oxide. Who appoint the chairman and member of the Human Rights Commission? Governor. When did RTI Act come into force in India? 12 October 2005. Which state is known as the Orchid Paradise in India? Arunachal Pradesh. Who founded Facebook? Mark Zuckerberg. Victoria Memorial is situated in which city of India? Kolkata. Total number of members in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly is 60. The Molnong village, which is also known as Asia's cleanest village, is located at East Khasi Hill. In which year UNESCO added Nokrek National Park to its list of biosphere reserve, 2009. Very important question. Garampani Sanctuary is located at Diphu, Assam. Blood cancer is commonly known as leukemia. For a colorblind person, red color appears as green. The first cloned animal, Dolly, was a sheep. The state which has the highest percentage of literate unemployed in India is Kerala. Census of population in India is done after 10 years. Which among the following is an international river, Brahmaputra? The world's largest railway platform is at Kharagpur. Which state in India estimate to have the largest coal reserve in India? Kandepo, Jharkhand. Which kind of power account for the largest share of power generation in India? Thermal. Mid-day meal scheme was launched in 1995 to promote universalization of primary education. Who is the present Prime Minister of Pakistan? Kane te pyaban cek bah kane kade mar de kamslem te ade ne Shehbaz Sharif mental am di doway pyaban cek. Mo present bamenta kane present akatu kapor ba mi kane Jingkylli. Capital of Syria is Damascus. Right of education to all children between the age 4 to 6 is a fundamental right. In case the president wishes to resign, to whom he has to address his resignation, have resignation to Chief Justice of India. The currency of Bhutan is Ngoltram. Odissi is a classical dance of which state of India? Odisha. Which village is Meghalaya is known as the whistling village? Kongthong. Itu kambahan tip. And Nanandro B. Marak of West Garohil was awarded Padma Shri by the President of India for cultivation of black pepper. Nero important ha spa kamawa Nanandro B. Marak of West Garohil awarded Padma Shri. Nam tahu black pepper. Then which of the gas is not known as greenhouse gas? Hydrogen. Bromine is red liquid. Hardest substance available on earth is diamond. Nero Shaywan he mankapor. Which one of the following organ breaks fat to produce cholesterol? Liver. At which of the following place weight of an object is maximum? At pole. Which disease among the following means evil influence of the stars? Influenza. Which of the following gas is used in cigarette lighter? Butane. Animal die in nitrogen atmosphere because they want oxygen. The element with the highest electrical conductivity is silver. And iron rust in the presence of both B and C, moisture and oxygen. Plant purify air during photosynthesis. Simple. The filtration unit of kidney is nephron. Which of the following enzyme is found in human saliva? Ptyalin. Growth movement in plant due to light is called phototropism. Which gas is essential for photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide. Name the fabric which is used in making bulletproof jacket. Kevlar. What is the scientific name of a mango? Mangifera indica, scientific name. Then, which is the smallest of the following computers? Which is the smallest of the following computers? Notebook. Okay, Ganesh. Bats detects obstacle in their path by receiving the reflect ultrasonic wave. Which of the following nutrients store maximum energy per gram fat? Sound waves does not travel in vacuum. Total number of bones in child is 300. In adult, 206. In child, 300. Which are the relevant waves in telecommunication? Microwaves. A red flower kept in green light will appear black. Tangadu lipotally. Then knot is a unit of speed in which of the following? The ship. Which color of heat radiation represents the highest temperature? White. For an astronaut in a spaceship, the sky appears black. Which planet is known as the morning and evening star? Venus. What is the SI unit of frequency? Hertz. Which device is used for measuring air pressure? Barometer. Te tangine hispa lai photally te seperti man page jo kin Iarap yapi nam ta gini exam ki 11 ada DSC MPSC ne kamtam jong Meghalaya police but jongka Homeguard te tangkan nahi khublei shibun